How to change native language in HelloTalk application. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open HelloTalk application. Then after you will see your profile icon at the top. Simply click on complete your profile, or if you have already completed your profile, simply click on the menu right beside it. Then after you will be heading towards certain area. In this page, you can see all your details, the language you are learning, your native language, and when you click on preview, you can see other people that watch your profile. Now to change your native language, go back to edit profile, and as you can see in the language section, the native language option has been there. So once you try to click on it and add a new language, the application suggests you to buy a VIP premium membership of HelloTalk. It is because without being a VIP member, you won't be able to change your native language. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.